Hello, welcome back to Areca channel, and in this video I will talk about the MWG with the update report H1 2021. Mobile World MWG H1 2021 results in line. COVID-19 poses downside risk. To invest in Vietnam stock market, please email to hong.nguyen vcsc.com.vn or phone to 00849142 6556. My name's Areca Nguyen. I work for VietCapital Securities. Work at VietCapital Securities. And in this report, I take the source from consumer team, research team from VCSC, VietCapital Securities. MWG Mobile World Company overviews. MWG owns the leading mobile phone and consumer electronics chains in Vietnam with 2021 market share of 48% and 44% respectively. To sustain strong long-term growth, MWG is rolling out the Bách Hóa Xanh mini-mart chains. Okay, and as we can see the summarize of Mobile World in 29 July 2021, the current price of MWG is 162.8 thousand Vietnam dong. And our research team put the target price is 227.4 thousand Vietnam dong, and upside with the upside 39.7%, and dividend yield is 0.9%, and total upside is 40.6%, and we are called buy now. We can see the PE is 18.8 times EPS. Return on equity is 27.3%, and it is good return despite the COVID separate in Vietnam from May till now. Okay, here we go through the detail. H1 2021 results in line. MWG announced its H1 2021 results, including revenue of 62.5 trillion Vietnam dong, as a 2.7 billion US dollar, plus 12% year on year, and part of 2.6 trillion Vietnam dong, as of 94 million US dollar, plus 26% year on year. These results imply revenue of 32 trillion Vietnam dong, as 1.4 billion US dollar, plus 20% year-on-year. NN part of 1.2 trillion Vietnam dong as 53 million US dollar plus 36% year-on-year in Q2 2021. Thế giới di động, Mobile World and DMX, điện máy xanh, aggregate revenue advanced 6% year-on-year in H1 2021 and 14% year-on-year in Q2 2021, partly thanks to continued rollout of super mini DMX stores around 120 to 150 square meter per store, whose revenue reached 3 trillion Vietnam dong as 130 million US dollar, equivalent to 6% of TGDD and DMX combined revenue in H1 2021. We also note that Q2 2020 performance was hurt by nationwide social distancing measures that were imposed in April 2021, meaning it was low comparative base. BHX Bách Hóa Xanh revenue reached 13.4 trillion Vietnam dong as 581 million US dollar plus 41% year-on-year in H1 2021 and 7.4 trillion Vietnam dong as 323 million US dollar plus 49% year-on-year in Q2 2021, primarily on the back of store expansion. Notably, we estimate that BHX net margin improved by 5 PPTs as Q-on-Q to minus 5.7% in Q2 2021, backed by higher sales per store and cost control efforts. Online sales advanced 6% year-on-year to 5.3 trillion Vietnam dong as 230 million US dollar in H1 2021, in a week TGDD and DMX combined online sales were flat year-on-year at 4.9 trillion Vietnam dong at 212 million US dollar, 10% of TGDD and DMX total revenue, while BHX online sales surged 340% year-on-year to 424 billion Vietnam dong as 18 million US dollar, 3% of BHX total revenue. Amid a widening net cash balance, net financial income reached 269 billion Vietnam dong as 12 million US dollar, compared to net financial expenses of 21 billion Vietnam dong as 900,000 US dollar in H1 2021 and contributed 8% to PBT in H1 2021. H1 2021 results were broadly in line with our expectations as revenue and part achieved 50% and 49% of our respective full year forecasts. However, given the current escalation of COVID-19 in Vietnam that is dampening consumer income as well as severely disrupting operations of THEO and DMX, we see potential downside risks to our current forecast pending a fuller review. Elevate iPhone sales and roll out of the Super Mini DMX format BIOS, THEO and DMX revenue. In terms of category performances, electronics revenue as TV, audio system, and other consumer electrics products, excluding white goods, slid 3% year-on-year due to weak consumer demand, which was partly offset by robust TV sales in June amid the UEFA Euro Championship. And the second, revenue from the white goods, laptops, and home appliance posted single-digit growth, and thirdly, mobile phone revenue jumped 16% year-on-year, mainly on the back of strong iPhone sales. Meanwhile, the Super Mini DMX format expanded its store count to 566 stores as of June 2021 from 302 at year-end 2020. Okay, we move to the next slide. The escalation of COVID-19 in Vietnam is disrupting the majority of DGDD and DMX stores. Current social distance restrictions, especially those in entire southern regions and Hanoi, are crippling the operation of nearly 2,000 THEO and DMX stores either undergoing temporary closure or restriction in terms of number of people in the store. Per MWG, to cope with this difficulty, the company is the first, negotiation rent reductions, and second, adjusting employee compensation, in which staff at the director level above are temporarily working without salary, and thirdly, resigning staff from TGDD and DMX to BHX in order to optimize employees' productivity as well as meeting surge consumer demand for accessory goods. Okay, for next slide, we estimate BHX net margin materially increased in Q2 2021 thanks to sales per store improvements and cost control efforts, employee productivity optimization. Per our estimate, sales per store rose from 1.2 billion Vietnam dong as $52,000 in April 2021 to more than 1.35 billion Vietnam dong as $59,000 in May 2021 and more than 1.4 billion Vietnam dong as $61,000 in June 2021, which we attribute partly to consumers stocking up on essential goods in addition to the closures of wet markets amid renewed social distancing restriction. Backed by these sales per store improvements and cost optimization initiative, we estimate BHX net margin improved from -9% in 2021 and 10.7% in Q1 2021 to -5.7% in Q2 2021. Meanwhile, BHX store count expanded to 1,888 as June of 2021 compared to 1,719 at year-end 2020 and 1,486 as of June 2021, which was in line with our expectation. And this is a summary of H1 2021 results of Mobile World. We can see the revenue from the line from three sectors: gross profit, EBIT, and PAT-MI, net margin. So for more detail, please see our reports on the website VietCapital Securities. To invest in Vietnam stock market, please email to home.nguyen@vcsc.com.vn or phone to 0081-432-6556. Areca, Hồng, Nguyen. Okay, thank you. And for more, I would like to talk about the price movement. As we can see, MWG listed on Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange in 2014. Till now, it's lit for 7 years, and we can see the trend of MWG is uptrend. It shows that this company is growth company. yeah, we can see this is uptrend year on year. Yeah, sometimes MWG have the pullback and accumulating before it jump to another bay with higher price. And in this time, we already see the MWG is highest price. Yeah, but I think MWG still move to the next higher base to create new base before we have a pullback time for maybe 1 year. Yeah, so I think this company is good to invest for long term. Okay, thank you. That's all about update for mobile world. Okay, thank you.